Hey guys, today we got another video and today we're unboxing the Raiju Mobile. This is a product from Razer. It is a game controller meant for your phone, and I heard a lot of good things about this. I recently unboxed the Razer, or not recently actually, maybe a couple weeks ago. I unboxed the Razer phone 2, and yeah, just wanted to test this product out with the phone. Anyways, I'll go around the box for you guys. Simple design. It's got this little tab over here. I'm not exactly sure why. We'll figure that out later. But yeah, it's also listed all these kind of features, or all the features on the game controller. It has a bunch of different triggers and whatnot. I'm not exactly sure how you're gonna use all that. But yeah, I've heard many good things about the buttons as well. But yeah, we're gonna have to test it out. And also, let me actually bring it up here. This is the Razer Phone 2. And you see we have a little case on it. I want to try it out with the case to see if it works or not. Because if we were to use the USB Type-C wired connection, it would obviously work. But I want to try it with just the Bluetooth and see if that works through the case. But yeah. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna need a pair of scissors to open this. Sorry about this, guys. Just give me a couple minutes. Alright, so over here I have a scissor. Just gonna cut that open like that. So flip it up. Just gonna open it up just like that. It's got this little foam, makes it look very premium. Alright. So there seems to be a little slot at the bottom. Seems to be some cables inside. There's a Razer Raiju Mobile. Alright, there's a bunch of things in here. Let me guess. More stickers, just like with the phone. It's a pretty nice addition. Yeah. Explains a whole lot about the phone. Apparently there's some BT1, BT2. I have no idea what this means. Wait, set the mode switch to USB. Alright. Alright, there's a lot of different features on this. I don't think we're not gonna be able to go through all of them, but we'll show you guys a little test if possible. Alright. Ooh, let's actually go through the box before we get to the main thing. Yeah, that seems to be about it inside, I think, at least. Yeah. Yeah, it seems pretty empty. Put that away. And over here we have, okay, let's take off this. Oh, this one at the bottom too. It's a micro USB Type-C little cable. I believe this part is supposed to attach into the controller and this part to your phone. Oh, and also this controller is meant for the Razer Phone 2, I believe, but you can use this with any sort of phone that has a Android 6.0 or higher. And yeah, it should work. And you know, Bluetooth connection or USB Type-C if you want to use this. So it's quite diverse. All right. Anyways, we're gonna connect these back on the little connection ports. Put that away. And over here we have another USB Type-C and a USB port. Not exactly sure why they. Oh, it's probably to charge the controller. All right, we'll put that away as well. Hopefully there is some charge in this. All right, and that seems to be about it. It's quite empty now. Yeah. All right, we'll put that away. So here is the controller itself. I've been hearing people say that this is quite similar to one of their other products where they designed a PS4 controller, I believe it was. And it's basically the same thing, but they changed up the touchpad over here that was for the PS4 controller one into this sort of little stand. But yeah, so here's the front of it. It says select back, home, and start. It's got very nice clicking buttons. If you have to click this multiple times, I would not be bothered. Yeah. Very smooth. I like the feel of it. The triggers could be better. Yeah, in my opinion, the triggers aren't the best if you have to click them consecutively, but they're all right. What is this? 2B, they call it the, I'm pretty white. Yeah, what am I looking? Yeah, oh, it's just R2, R1, yeah, L1, L2, all right. All right, they also have these buttons right here as well. I'm pretty sure these are substitutes for these ones. And the same goes for these ones right here. I'm pretty sure at least. So you can be clicking it like that. As you see, I'm clicking it there. Or you can click this. Or you can click these at the bottom. So it's quite, you can quite modify it quite a bit. Alright, so over here it says it's up to 500 milliamps. I'm assuming, yeah, 500 milliamps is the capacity. Oh, look at this. You can unlock it. I'm assuming that's locked. Alright. Oh, and this is where you would connect a micro USB Type-C little cable. And here it is, the BT1, the BT2, the types of connection. You can even put in the middle for USB. I'm not sure what BT1 means, or BT2 though. Alright, anyways though. Now let's, oh, would you look at that. Let's try the Razer phone inside. Oh, it doesn't even go in. Oh, never mind, it does. Okay, so if you pull it, it actually extends further. So if we were to put this through, it would fit. There we go. I'm not sure if you can move it. Oh, you can move it forward. It's pretty nice right there. So as you can see, you can adjust the angle of the degree. I mean, the angle of the display. Yeah, okay. You can still use the little on and off button inside there. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right. Now let's turn this on. Let's get this connected up and see what happens. Not exactly sure how to get this turned on. Let's just use a cable. All right. Take these two off right here. And I'm assuming this part goes in here, because it seems like it would be designed to make it a shorter distance. It's a little bit tight. I think we have to move it a little bit more to the right. All right, there we go. Yeah, now there's a little bit more slack into it. But as you can see, the controller, it seems to have turned on. It's red. But yeah, let's turn on the phone itself. All right. So here it is turned on, and it seems to be that the little volume buttons at the bottom are being held down, because as you can see, the speaker is like just being pushed on. Yeah, so let's see, how do we fix that then? Yeah, all right, let's take off the case and see what happens then. Or actually we can just rotate it, I believe. All right, let's just put it through like that. Oh God, just open up a whole bunch of things. All right. Now then we have to just connect it to this way. Let's move it to the right. There we go. There we go. Easy little connection. All right. Now I'm not sure which game specifically has support for this sort of controller, but I'm assuming it could be any game. We're just gonna open up GTA San Andreas and see if that works. So here it is loading up. I'm not exactly sure if this has any sort of, oh wow, that's a little bit loud. All right, we're just gonna, turn off the music. I'm gonna go to options, redefine controls, or game, display, audio. All right, we're just gonna go to controls. And all right, the controller doesn't seem to be in control right now. Yeah, all right, then we're just gonna leave this. Let's just go into the game and see what happens. Yeah. Doesn't seem to be working. Maybe. Oh, there we go. All right, I think it's gonna be working now. I had to just click the, or move the little thing to the USB position. But yeah, it should be working now. Well, that's working at least. There we go. Now we're able to drive around. Just like that. Wait, what the hell? Okay, that's okay. I haven't played this in a while. Yeah. All right, so there you can get like a side view with the R2 and L2. All right, let's now get out this car. You can, you can just run around just like that. You can jump. I'm not sure what Y does. With A, you can fight. Simple as that. All right, that's great. Anyways, let's go back to another car. You can sprint as well by holding down A. How do I get in there? There we go, we just have to click Y. Oh God. Busted, all right. We're gonna get off this for now. Let's see if there's any other games I can show you. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure if this will work on, for example, Injustice 2 or Hungry Shark World, or yeah, we'll try out Hungry Shark World. We'll see if that works. All right. Well, it seemed to be working great with GTA, so all right. Just gonna quickly use any one of these. Oh, come on. All right, let's just select that. Let's go into one of these games and see what happens. All right. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working. Yeah. As you can see, I'd probably have to adjust the controllers. Let me go to settings and see if there's anything we can do there. Nah, quit. Yeah, all right, continue. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it'll be possible with this. Let's go to settings over there. About, online, support. Yeah, all right, whatever. It doesn't seem possible for this game. Let's exit out of here. Let's try out NBA Live, see if that works. For some of these, I'm not sure if there's a software specific to this controller, maybe to help it adapt to more games. I'm not exactly sure about that, but we can search it up right after this. Yeah, so let's get into some sort of a game. Yeah, I'm not even sure how to get into a game. Holy. All right. Let's see here. Sorry about the wait, guys. I didn't prepare this before. Yeah. All right. I'm on seasons right now. This seems to be it. So I'm gonna click play. I'm gonna click play again. I'm gonna see if this works. I haven't gone to settings yet. I haven't checked if there was any options. Oh, also the speaker system on this phone is pretty good. So having it just be forward to you, so having it face you, so it should be pretty good of an experience. Let's turn it up a little bit. There we go. All right. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. I don't think I'm moving. Yeah, I'm definitely not moving. Let's just exit. I don't know if we have to adjust this in settings or not. Let me go check that. All right. So link account, game tutorials, help, legal. All right. Doesn't seem to be possible with this game either. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This video is quite long. I'm sorry for making it that long. If you watched the whole thing, thank you very much for sticking through with me. But yeah, but it does work with GTA San Andreas, so that's pretty good. You've been revived. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, more videos will be coming soon. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.